Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Joe Nall 2025. Just wanted to give you a close-up of the SR-71 Oxcart. Just gorgeous, really nice. Long, beautiful. I mean, the word is wow. Meticulous in every way. Even the panel lines, as you can see there, just pops. And those wheels. Look at those wheels right there, folks. Just amazing. Really something. Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Hey, Danny, can I grab those bits that
Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We have got a very special treat today. The SR-71 Oxcart, ladies and gentlemen. I know they didn't call it the SR-71 Oxcart, they just call it the Oxcart. For the folks at home, you'll at least know what it is. So folks, woo, what do you say? I mean, really, we're going high. Have that high altitude seat on if you don't mind. Sit back, relax, strap in tight, and enjoy the flight.
This is ultimate This bird is the one of one in the U.S. and they don't make them so we like to see that for us. There's one more in Brazil, the other one that we know of is in Canada right now, and there are no more of these birds. They run with two 130s, guided by the 5x4. And flown again by Chris Houston, who is a on the other side, we have the SR-31 from yesterday. And we do have a skill that we can do anything. A couple of customers who are lucky enough to be able to get their hands on.
Folks, I may have to drop the audio out. YouTube has very strict copyright laws and they're playing music in the background, so I do apologize for that.
It's like Danny just covered his mouth. I don't know if you guys saw that, but a little bit of a funny factor. Is he going to give me a slow roll, Danny, you know? I don't know, we were talking about it earlier. You don't need to do it now, I do one slow roll. Talk about this as we learn we're using two gyros and also to fly the nozzle. So with our system, you only need one gyro, which is an I-gyro, and it'll do everything that that airplane needs to do with this one gyro. Really, really cool feature on the I-gyro stack. With all the new firmware, we're constantly upgrading and improving. We don't just make a product and forget about it. We're constantly improving what we have and coming up with new products. So you said that you yes, correct. The issue is that typically you would have one gyro for the aircraft, and you would have another from started to be able to do other maneuvers that you can't do with just one single nozzle. You can't roll with one single nozzle. You have to have the two nozzles going in opposite directions. Right. With our system, you're able to do that without a problem and without the need of a second gyro. There's a whole team on the third floor. A-12 is coming from the So if you look at the A-12, it's a very long aircraft, so it's a long approach, a very steady approach.
Ooh, oh, oh, there you go. Pop back up. And the parachute is out, folks. What are you going to say, folks? That's Ox-12. Let me try it again. That's Oxcart butter there, folks. Oxcart butter. Gorgeous plane. Let's be honest, folks. It is SR-71 is unlike anything out there. Period. Skunk Works did an amazing job, you know. Just amazing. All right, friends. More to come.